Guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name's Aisa, and today I wanted to try something new with my hair. I always wear it straight, or actually recently I've tried the wet look, which I've really enjoyed. If you guys want a tutorial on that, on how I achieved the wet look with this hair, then let me know in the comment section down below. But yeah, I've decided to give you guys these big bouncy curls, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below to see more videos from us, and of course like, comment, share, and subscribe. And without further ado, I'll let you guys get into the video. Okay guys, so I decided today I wanted to curl this hair, just kind of see how it holds a curl. I've tried the wet look on it recently and I've liked it. So yeah, I just brushed out the hair and I ran out of my other heat protectant, so I'll be using this one, which is the Keratin 10 multi-benefits like straight styler thermal protectant. And yeah, this is my first time using this one, but I think it's good. So guys, I have a little disclaimer for you guys. On this day, I decided to kind of just glue only the front, and I didn't glue the sides of my wig, so don't come for me in this comment section down below, okay? I'm just going to start by spraying it all over my section. And yeah, today I decided to do like a talk through type of tutorial, because I feel like normally I always do the voiceovers and I want to switch it up a little bit, you know? Okay, I'm just making sure it's coated. Maybe gonna brush that through a little bit again. Yeah, I'm actually going somewhere, so this turns out very good. Okay. So I've already like sectioned my hair in two, because I always do this even when I straighten my hair. But what I'm gonna do now, I want to do small sections. I'm gonna be using the NuMe, and I'll be using this size because I don't want my curls to be too small. So we'll see how this goes. I want like big bouncy curls, so that's what we're gonna do. But first, before I do that, let me use this glove, because I made the mistake the first time of not using it, and to be honest, like, you can not use it, but the thing is, when you're holding the hair, the heat like goes through. So yeah. And I'm gonna start, I always start in the back. I'm gonna take like a medium-sized section. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this medium-sized section, brush it out, and then I'll use my NuMe and curl. So because I want the hair on this side to like go away from my face and away from my face, I'll be basically doing all of the hairs in this way, and on the other side I'll be doing it this way. You'll see what I mean, like, just keep watching and you'll see. So yeah, basically I'm gonna stay like this for a few seconds. So this is the curl that I got. Not bad, not bad. So now I'm just gonna do the same thing with the other sections, and I'm probably gonna speed this up, but you guys get the gist. And yeah, I don't really like parting my hair like that. I don't know why. I feel like the clips keep falling, and then it's just a whole mess. You know what I mean? I just prefer doing it like this, like that. I see what I'm doing, and I just part it in the back. So yeah, this is the next section. I'm gonna do the same thing, and all the hair on this side is going to be going in the same direction, guys. Okay, so now we're gonna be doing the same thing, but curling in the other direction. Because like I said, I want them away from my face. These are the final curls, but obviously I'm not gonna leave them like this. I think I'm going to spray a little bit of Got to Be Glued on it, just so that they don't like fall. A little hairspray. You know, just so that the curls can like hold. And then the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm just going to brush through it. Well, first I'm gonna... So guys, as I mentioned, this is the final look. Yeah, this is my first time curling this hair with a curling iron. I had curled them in the past with flexi rods, and of course it gave a different like look because they were smaller curls, but I wanted big bouncy curls today, and I'm not, you know, I'm getting used to it. I think I like this. So if you guys like it too, don't forget to like this video and comment down below if this video was helpful, or if you want to see any other videos from us. And yeah, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as usual and share with all your friends. Tell everybody to come subscribe to our channel, and I promise you guys, you will not regret it. And I hope you guys will come back for our next video. So I'll see you guys next time, and you guys have a blessed day. Bye.
What else? Your body will kill me. Yeah. Open every palm, baby. Ram town.
Yeah.
Yeah.
1, 2.